In this video, we're going to walk through customizing the colors of the text on your page. So colors can be used to enhance your page. I'm going to use a hex color picker to find the exact color that I want. If I use this sliding bar here and move my selector around, this code right here is the specific color for this, is a specific code for this image on the right. So for my dream vacation, let's say that I wanted my header to be a bright red. I'm going to go find the red that I want by sliding it over to red. I like this dark red right here. And then the color property for the header, and again, put this inside of your style section of your page. Well, since I already have a header 1, I can just come underneath here and type color, colon, and then add that hex color picker code, and then do a semicolon. And let's see what that looks like. Refresh this page. Nice red. What about my header 2s? What if I wanted all of my header 2s to be a dark blue? Let me go find a dark blue. I like that color. And I'm going to copy this, press return, enter, and I'm going to change this from header 1 to 2, and then put in my code for that blue, copy that, and I'm going to erase this right here, save it again. Alright, and refresh. Now all of my header 2s are that pretty dark blue. What about my paragraph? If you want to do the same for your paragraph, then just copy it all again, Control C, but this time it's P, because P is paragraph, and you see that here, P, paragraph. And that's how you would do that. So let me save it real quick just to double check. There you go. Now everything's blue. But I don't really want that, so I'm going to erase that. All right, and that is how you customize the colors on your page.